All right, thanks, Morgan. We've got some snowflakes out there this morning. Not here, but maybe a few flurries showing up there. Northeast Arkansas, got some flurries back into Missouri and into Kansas. We have a cold front on the way. It's embedded in this northwest flow that's right over top of us with the coldest air, a little bit more displaced to the northeast of us. Overall, not a big shakeup in the forecasts over the next 24 to 48 hours. This front's going to come through, kind of keep the status quo. No big push of cold air on the backside. Just going to keep the same kind of seasonal weather we're seeing today, and we'll copy and paste those highs as we get into tomorrow. Some of this snow, though, again, some flurries. I've been keeping my eye on it the last couple of days. Could we get some flurries, maybe some sprinkles, southwest Missouri? Possible. We'll watch that. Not expecting much, but that front's going to come through. And the next front behind that one will be stronger. That'll be over the weekend. That one will have a chance for some showers, even some thunderstorms out ahead of it with a blast of cold air on the backside, possibly wintry mix. It's still on the table, though the greater potential has shifted a little further to the north of us over the last day or so. Bundle up as you head outside. The air's not moving around much. So that's good news for you. Most of the area is seeing calm conditions, so we're not throwing the wind chill on top of it. But most areas in the low 30s, some upper 20s in our coolest spots. Going to be in the 40s today, northwest Arkansas. Warmest spots maybe up to 50 degrees. Should have more added cloud cover mixing in with a break of sunshine or two for northwest Arkansas. I think we have more breaks in the clouds the further south you go through the river valley down towards the northern Ouachitas. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer for us into the lower 50s. There will be a little bit of a breeze as we go through the day, about 5 to 15 miles per hour out of the south. So that'll give us wind chills this afternoon for the region in the lower to mid 40s in our coolest spots. Looking at the next 3 days, again, with the front coming through today, not much change. It's a weak front. We're still back at it tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. And then as we get into the weekend, moisture is increasing. The storm system responsible here is still way out in the Pacific Ocean. It is still too far out to start giving you specifics of snow totals, impacts. Bottom line, though, the track data's coming together. We're getting closer. Consensus a little bit more in the model showing up. We think the track's going to be close enough that at least the potential for a wintry mix is still there for Sunday, especially Sunday afternoon, maybe Sunday evening, northwest Arkansas. Right now, mostly should be just looking at a chilly rain, increasing Saturday night into Sunday for the river valley. Right now, we'll start out dry Saturday. Clouds will increase. Now, as we get in the afternoon, evening hours, we'll have to watch the speed of the system. Again, that could change. We could see drizzle and sprinkles increasing a little bit earlier into the afternoon. We do anticipate widespread rainfall as we go overnight, steady shower activity as we get into Sunday morning. And then the main question is, how much cold air wraps around fast enough? Really, we know the cold air is going to be there. How fast does the cold air wrap around, and is there still moisture around? If this system tracks a little bit further north, 50 miles or so, greater impacts north, most of us just see rain. If it goes a little bit further south, we'll get bigger winter weather impacts. Though the latest trend is that the greatest impact should stay to the north of us, but you still can't rule out some snowflakes flying in parts of northwest Arkansas, at least in the back half of the day on Sunday. It's still there. There's still a chance. And it's not a completely 0% chance either that the river valley can't get a snowflake to mix in with a raindrop or a sleet pellet. So we'll be watching that for you too. Again, bottom line, it does get colder on the backside of that system, and we will at the very least have a soggy Sunday with multiple days in a row there. Temperatures into the teens and 20s for lows and 20s and 30s for highs.
That is cold. Am I the only one?